Hello friends, very good morning to all. I am Kranti from Trainee Gents. Today I am going to explain about quadratic equations of chapter 4. This is a part of algebra which you are getting 20 marks in board examinations. In this chapter quadratic equations, we already learned a lot about quadratic equations. So basically what is a quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. This is a basic mathematical form of quadratic equation. This is a short example. You are going to deal with a lot of problems in coming days. So in this chapter exercise 4.1 to 4.3, there are mainly 4 exercises are there in your quadratic equations. Exercise 4.1, exercise 4.2, exercise 4.3 and exercise 4.4. Basically from exercise 4.1 to 4.3, students will learn how to check whether the given equation is quadratic or not and representing the same. So in this 3 exercise it deals with only quadratic equation is a valid or not in exercise 4.1 to 4.3. The next part of this chapter with finding the solution of quadratic equation by the following methods. There are mainly 3 important methods in this quadratic equations. They are factorization, completing the squares and quadratic formula. Then students will study the nature of roots using the determinant factor. How to determine the nature of roots is made more clear by giving certain examples. So in the textbook there are so many examples are given to find the nature of roots by using the determinant formula, and after completion of these 3 exercises then you will move on to exercise 4.4. In this exercise there are questions are given in which nature of roots has to be determined and also finding the real roots if they exist. So you will make a lot of detailed clarification of nature of roots and finding the real roots if they are exist. So this is all about exercise 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 and 4.4. If you complete all these 4 exercises you will done with quadratic equations. So finally at the end of the chapter all the important points of chapters are given in the summary. You can go through all the important formulas. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe.